This is Conversations from the Cave. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Bo Powell, and you're not here by accident. If you found this, something brought you here. Maybe somebody sent it to you. A wife, a sister, a mother who saw the title and immediately thought of somebody specific. Or maybe you went looking for it yourself because something in you knew you needed a different kind of conversation. Either way, you're here, and you're here for a reason. Now, I don't know exactly what you're carrying right now, but I have a feeling it's heavier than most people around you know. You see, there's a version of you that shows up every single day. He handles his business. He takes care of the people who need him. He keeps it moving for the most part. And from the outside, everything looks fine. But you know the truth because you're the one who lies awake at night running through everything that's not working. You're the one who's been strong for everybody else for so long that you've forgotten what it feels like to let somebody else carry some of this. You're the one who smiles in the room and then sits alone in the car before you go inside. And the crazy part, you can't even fully explain it. You just know something isn't right. Maybe it's your faith, because you can feel the distance between you and God, but you don't know how to close it. Maybe it's your finances. You know what you should be doing, but something keeps getting in the way. Or maybe it's your relationships, because the same patterns keep showing up no matter how hard you try to change them. Or maybe it's all three, hitting you at the same time in the same season, and nobody around you has any idea how much you're managing. That place, that feeling, that's the cave. And I want you to know something. I see you, bro. Not the version you put on display, the real one. The one who's smack dab in the middle of it. And I want you to know you're not alone in this. My name is Bo Powell. I'm a life strategist, entrepreneur, and coach. And I've been in the cave more than once. I know what it feels like to be building on the outside and barely holding on inside. I know what it feels like to believe God has a plan and still struggle to find him in the dark. I know what it feels like to be the man that everybody's counting on, but nobody's checking on. You see, I couldn't find a conversation that spoke honestly to that man, so I'm building one. Conversations from the Cave is for the man who's rebuilding after loss, for the man who's successful on paper but empty underneath, for that man who knows something between him and God isn't right, and he doesn't know how to find his way back. This is where faith, money, and relationships stop being separate problems and start becoming one man's story. Your story. Season 1 launches April 7th. Go to manifesttheman.com, drop your email. I want you to be there when the door opens, because the cave isn't where your story ends. It's where it starts to mean something. David built an army in the dark. Let's see what gets built in this one. I'm Bo Powell. This is Conversations from the Cave. I'll see you on April 7th.